On Clubhouse. Okay, blessings of water. I'm your vlogger, Teacher Bing, Erlinda Bing, Basilio Rindon. It's so nice. It's so inviting. The blue cold water. Patalunan Pequeño, Davao City. I love the drops of the fountain. It's a wide space, a swimming pool, playing pool, and the swimming pool. Okay, so Nonoy, Rene, Navesteros, we love fellowship here. See you here, Grandville Subdivision. Okay, so nice place for fellowship. You can have your chika-chika here, tea. You will talk with your friends. They have also stomach development. You can order. You have their kitchen and function hall or the function room for every occasion. Okay, authorized personnel use only. It's also equipped with playground outside. Okay, just this one. Not no. Oh. This is a basketball court. Wow, basketball court. But we cannot enter. There's a lock. So amazing. Grandville Clubhouse with playground. Those are the housing unit around. It's a wide housing area. Grandville, Catalunan, Pequeño. Over there, the house of my very good friend Nonoy and friend. First house, the gate, the left side. My kudabawenyo, mlangenyo, Nonoy, Rene, Navesteros. See you on Friday. Okay, I'll be back here Friday. This is for now my picture of Grandville Subdivision and the clubhouse. Thank you, viewers, followers, FB friends, for joining me my morning in Davao City, where life is here again. I'm your vlogger, retired teacher, Erlinda Bing, Basilio Rindon, signing off. Mabuhay! Mabuhay! May kabuhay! Thank you, everyone.